Told myself one thing, that before I start talking about investing, especially when I decided I'm going to start investing, I'm going to test it first, like do my own due diligence before actually telling people about it. Because I know, of course, when I start building my investing journey in public, a lot of people will tell me, oh, I'm interested, and before I can have that confidence to tell people about it, I want to make sure it's something I've tried before. So guys, I just woke up for the fourth time today. Like, I've been sleeping and sleeping. See, my eyes are swollen. So I started to invest in the US stock using my bank app, because I don't want stories, I don't want to panic, I don't just want to download some random app that will get me panicking because they don't reply to my messages, or because I try to withdraw and it's not going through, but I can only deposit, all this kind of stuff. So thank God my bank actually have investment opportunity too in the app. So, and since my app has an investment opportunity that is powered by the popular Bamboo, I said, okay, this is a good one. But then I can't do Nigerian stock investment on that. I can only do fixed deposit investment, and also all US stock that you can always think about. So what I did was I tested it myself. I bought about 4 stock, started building that portfolio, and truly the stock I even started buying picked up. I sold the entire portfolio just to see how easy withdrawal are, and guess what, it really worked. And now it's time to start rebuilding smarter. So I am gamed for this investment thing. I want to trade and invest it the real way, like trade and invest for the future, long term